Hi guys, my name is James and I'm the founder of D.LAB Dezign Laboratories. D.LAB focus on delivering good contract manufacturing services, adopting a 360 approach to design, product development, manufacturing and logistics. And the importance of turning ideas into reality in a safe and predictable manner amidst the complexities of sourcing and production. We don't just sell our services. Our priority is first to understand our customers' pain point, objectives and requirements, and deliver a clear and sound solution to solve them.